In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Q&A to Google Business Profile. The questions and answers feature is where people can publicly ask about your business, and you can reply so everyone gets accurate, helpful information. It's a simple way to reduce repetitive calls, set clear expectations, and build trust right on Google Search and Maps. Start by opening your browser and going to business.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that manages your business profile. This address brings you to the Business Profile Manager. Depending on your setup, you may see the In-Search Editing View or a dashboard-style page. Both let you manage features like posts, reviews, and the Q&A area. If you manage more than one location, double-check that you're viewing the correct profile before you proceed. Now, look for the Q&A option. You'll typically find it in the main menu or under a customer section labeled Questions and Answers. Click it to open your Q&A hub. This is the central place where public questions will appear and where you can respond as the business. The layout is straightforward. You'll see the question when it was posted and a spot to add your answer. Your replies are public and visible to anyone viewing your profile, so they can help many customers at once. If you see a message that says no questions are currently available, that simply means no one has asked anything yet. This is common for new or newly verified profiles, and it doesn't indicate a problem. The Q&A feature is active, you're just waiting for the first question to come in. Over time, as more people discover your business on Google, questions will start appearing here automatically. When questions do appear, respond promptly and clearly. Keep your answers friendly, concise, and consistent with your listed hours, services, pricing, and policies. For example, if someone asks, "Do you accept walk-ins?" a helpful reply might confirm whether you do, any peak times to avoid, and where to find current hours on your profile. Avoid sharing private details in your replies and stick to information you're comfortable posting publicly. If anything looks off topic or inappropriate, Google provides tools to report content that doesn't follow the rules. Make it a habit to check this section regularly. Quick, accurate answers help customers make decisions and reduce confusion. Keep your tone professional and on brand. And remember that your responses can surface in search and maps, so clarity matters. That's it. You went to business.google.com, opened the Q&A area, and confirmed whether any questions are available. Keep an eye on this space as your visibility grows, and use your answers to provide clear, trustworthy information about your business.